In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find, view, download, and print assembly and care instructions from a product page. To begin, open the product page for the item you need help with. Once the page has fully loaded, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct product, especially if there are similar versions or sizes. This is important because assembly guides and care instructions are usually specific to the exact item shown on that page. Next, scroll down through the product page until you reach the section with additional product details. On many pages, this information is organized into expandable tabs or drop-down sections. Look for the tab labeled Assembly and Care. This section typically contains useful information such as setup guidance, maintenance recommendations, and product documentation provided in PDF format. When you find the Assembly and Care tab, click on it to open the section. If the tab expands, you should see the available instructions or a link to a document. In some cases, the PDF may open directly in your browser, while on other pages, you may need to click a file link first. Either way, this is the document you'll use for assembly steps, care recommendations, and any other related product guidance. Once the PDF is open, you can review it on screen to make sure it includes the information you need. If you want to keep a copy for later, use the download option in your browser or PDF viewer to save the file to your device. It's a good idea to save it somewhere easy to find, such as your downloads folder or a dedicated folder for product manuals. If you'd prefer a physical copy, you can also print the PDF. Select the print option from your browser or